CEP connectors, people gathering around together to preserve racial harmony and religious harmony, and it's a way to go. And gatherings like this may be a tea ceremony, maybe getting together for some food, and this is the way that we connect to one another.
The idea behind Free Chai Day was to create an event where we can foster harmony through the simple act of drinking a cup of tea. And we started working with the People's Association CEP program because it was a good fit where our event was educating people about Indian culture, and the CEP connectors could come down and learn about Indian culture themselves. So this way, when they go down to the grassroots and go down to the communities, they can educate people about the culture and have a better understanding of Indian culture themselves.
A unique idea. We'll support it through probably having it in our own constituency as well.
I think this initiative should be carried forward more often.
And what it simply does, it's over this grace of chai tea that you're able to foster a better relationship.
I think that it's a great start and a great idea to actually start networking and share different cultures.